Case, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. If we examine it, we contradict what it means to be equanimous. We use the Upadesha instructions on burning mountains with fire to look over the fields of the playfulness of our equanimity. We use the Upadesha instructions on the sandalwood forest as an unmoving transmission on the self-luminosity of everyone. We use the Upadesha instructions that are like rough water to speak on the topics of distraction and wrath. The Upadesha instructions on awareness without mindfulness are understood by settling into uncontrived self-luminosity. We have no object. This is the supreme space of self-luminosity. It is to be understood through the method of having no origin or engagement. In the Great Perfection, in self-originating non-contrivance, the determinations of all our ideas are realized or are not realized. Through the differences in the words that we demarcate, our understanding of what things mean is a path of eternalism or nihilism. As for the self-originating bodhicitta, it certainly does appear within the totality of our attributions, but it is in fact wisdom, and is beyond any limitations. Non-realization is like the heart essence of an old one. We live, while we appear to be essentially deluded. If samsara is merely superficial, then nirvana is just the same, and it will turn out that we have nothing to touch. We fall into the superficial nihilism of the Forders. Whatever we hold on to is the cause of our own downfall. Without holding on, we do not fall down. We are beyond fear. To hold a position about a Dharma that has no position, while the self-originating has no position, is to contradict ourselves. If the totality of our attribution is not established as being substantial, then where do the sentient beings of samsara come from? All of us are shaking off the pits of samsara. So who needs the Dharma that is being taught? Samsara is a spontaneously realized self-luminosity. It seems that our refutations and proofs meet in the heights of the sky,